So we're going to go to series. We have a circuit. So series circuit means you have your components placed side by side to each other. So that means your two resistors are actually side by side. Then the current will flow in one loop. So which means current in this position here and this position and this position will be exactly the same because there's no branching, so current can only flow in that loop. So that's why you got I1 equals to I2 equals to I3. So you need to learn the properties, remember the property. Then you need to know the disadvantage of a series circuit. What happens is if there is a like a component that is broken, say let's say the resistor is broken, what happens is you will get an open circuit here because current cannot jump like that. So if there is any point there's a break or flow of the charges, the current will not be able to flow. Then everything, if you have a light bulb here, the light bulb will not work at all. So the light bulb will not light up. So we will calculate the current flowing through in this circuit. Do I need to go through this? So we would use V equals to IR. That's one formula that we need. Then this is PD. PD is in volts. Then this is current. Current will be in amperes, and then resistance here will be in ohms. Then we also possibly need, because in the previous slides we have equivalent or total resistance in series will be R1 plus R2. So this is what we need.
And for parallel, it's 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2.
Parallel is this. Don't forget this side is also 1 over something. So then from here, you measure you calculate the current in the circuit. I'll give you some time. Then if you need help, then I'll come in again. Where did this come from? 2.25.
9 over 4.
Okay. So first step is to convert this into one block, one resistor. Then the current flowing I, right, flowing through here is the current flowing in this part here because I can only flow in one loop. So any part here, right, the I will be still the same.
0.75.
How do you get 0.75? So
4 plus 8.
Yeah.
Then 12.
So
then 9 over 12.
Yeah. So you write 12 here, ohms. Then I equals to V over R. So V is 9, then 12, then you get your answer. So presentation is quite important for yourself and for whoever who is marking. Like that. Remember units and yeah. Okay, so same idea, but the info given is a bit different. 你好? So over here, that three volts, right, is to tell you that there is a potential difference of 3 volts in across that 5 ohm. So it's actually, you can assume it's like that. Down here, right, like you drew, down here is 3 volts and this is 5 ohms. Then a current flows through it, I. So the current that flows through this resistor, right, is the same as the current that is going through other parts of this circuit because current only flow in one loop in the series. So then you can do this, right? V equals to IR again, then 3 over 5 because they tell you the value of the resistance of the resistor there, and they give you the PD across that resistor. So you can just use this formula like that. You can use it directly. Okay?
Yeah.